Crafty Friends, I'm Sylvia. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing from Mary's Diamond. This is actually my second one, and I believe this one's called Starry. Like, see the stars? So Starry. Let me see if I can make it a little closer so you can see it. Okay, and it comes always in a very pretty pink box. And then on the back, it just tells you quick instructions. So, number 1, locate symbol and color code. Number 2, press the tip of the pen in the glue. Number 3, pour and pick the diamonds. And number 4, place it on the symbol. Okay, so let's open up this baby. So this one is poured glue, and they only use licensed artwork, and they have something that's called no stress assurance, which means that all the kids have damage insurance. If there's something wrong with it, you know, I guess you get it, I guess you get it replaced. If there's missing diamonds, they'll replace it. And it also has lifetime warranty and also a 30-day money back guarantee, which is nice. Okay, and it comes in a nice pink ribbon where it says Mary's Diamonds. So inside you've got the drills. Let's pull that out, and the kit. And I don't know what this is for. Okay, but it's a little stick. I guess maybe just so it wouldn't get wrinkled. Okay. And the good thing about this one, guys, also is that you can choose the size. You can choose the size and the diamonds. So I believe this one's a 40 by 70 centimeter, and they also have a 50 by 80 centimeters, which is bigger. And the diamonds, you can either pick round AB or square ABs, and I think I picked round. Okay, so the canvas, like always, feels very, very nice, very soft and silky. Nice ribbon, and this is a very pretty ribbon, actually, guys. Okay, I'm gonna keep that one for Olivia. Ooh. Okay, so let's turn it. There's something there. I think there's a drill there. Okay, here we go. Wow, this is very nice, guys. Okay, so on the top, it says Mary's Diamonds. Okay, and on the left-hand side, it's got a legend. So it tells you, here they call it the color list. So it's got the numbers 1 through 47. So in other words, it's got 47 drills. And then it's got the symbol. So the symbols are what's going to be on the canvas, and the color. So you've got, let's see, do we have any ABs in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It says R. What the heck is an R? I wonder if those are the ABs. Huh. Okay, so let's see. We'll figure it out. All right, so, and then on the right hand side, it also has the legend. Okay, basically the same thing. And then down here, it's got like little faces, like red, meaning you're not happy, orange, the yellow, it's okay, and the green, you like it, and then the dark green is, I guess you love it. And then I guess here is to scan me. And like I mentioned before, I believe this is the 40 by 70 centimeters. It's actually long. Let's do it this way so you can see what I mean. So see, move it this way. And she's so pretty, guys. She's got beautiful red hair with yellow highlights. And it looks like she has one eye open and one eye closed, and it looks like she's dreaming. There's a beautiful black sky, and there's some stars, and I believe that's a drill in there. Okay, and it's very clear. Well, let's see how sticky it is. Okay, so it's sticky, and look how clear it is, guys. Let me bring it up so you can see. See that? It is very, very clear. And she's very pretty. I have no idea what this is. Is it an earring? I have no idea. Okay, so well, let's see. Let's turn her this way, or let's put her over there. So let's look at the toolkit very, very quickly, guys. It's the usual, you know. This is actually a nice tray. It's pretty big. So you got a nice deep tray, actually. Look at that. That's nice. And then you've got the golden tweezers. Very, very sharp. And you've got a diamond pen with a little comfort grip and a placer. And another one here. So you got 2 of those and wax. Okay. Let's put that aside. So let's see what we have here. Sorry about the noise. So here you have first the drills. And let's see what we have here. These R's, guys, well, over here it tells you the size, so it's 70 by 40 centimeters, what I said before. It's got colors. It says 44, and over here it says 47, so that means that 44, and I guess, what are the other 3? Are they ABs? Mamma mia. And then the artwork is called Starry, and the artist is Fizzy Pop Cake. Love it, Fizzy Pop Cake. Thank you for being awesome. And then over here, which is very nice, it tells you, you know, the color, but it also tells you the quantity. So 154, it has 827 of them. And then they tell you how many bags they gave you, which is pretty cool. And this is not an adhesive, so you would have to cut it out and I guess put adhesive in the back, or run it through the Xyron. Which, where's my Xyron? I have no idea where my Xyron is now, so I can show you. Yeah, don't know where my Xyron is. It basically creates a sticker, the Xyron. And they sell those at Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Joann's, or any crafting store, I believe. Okay, so let me lay out the colors so we can see them better. Okay, so here we have 154, sort of like a dark plum. 160. 161. So these are blues. 221. 224. It's like a peachy pink. And look at the bag of 310, guys. That's a lot. Okay, so let's put these aside. And then we've got 317, which is like a gray. 356. 433, it's like a brown. And 680. Okay. And then we have the 700s. So 720, it's like an orange, a very pretty dark orange. 725 is like a yellow. Oopsie daisy. 778 is like a light pink. And 779 it's like a brown. Okay, and then we have the 800s. 806, which is like a blue. 813, just a lighter blue. 815, looks like a red, like a dark red. And then 817, it's like a lighter, brighter red. And then 831 is sort of like a green, like an avocado green. Okay, and then you got the 900s. So another darker orange, 900. 921, which is even a prettier orange. These are all orange. 922. That's pretty. 930. I love anything that's blue. 938, like a dark brown, like a chocolate. 951, sort of like a beige. And 959 is sort of like a blue green. Okay. Okay, and this one's 3041. These are the 3000s. 3042, which is a lighter one than this one. That's pretty actually. 3064, it's like a tan. 3752, very pretty blue. 3772, another brown. 3771 and 3776, another orange. It has lots of oranges, lots of orange, lots of browns, lots of black, and some blues. So 3842, very pretty blue. 3844, ooh, I love this one. 3847, look at all these blues, guys. 3851, blues and greens. 3858, a brown. And 3861. Okay, and then I noticed that all the R's, they look like they're ABs. So there's actually, let's see. So you got 445, which is an RB, in AB. But look how pretty that is, guys. See that? It's like a yellow. And then you've got this one, 666, so it's a red. These are all ABs. 712, a nice tan. 775, a beautiful blue. 818, that's a pink one. And then you've got 973, which is a yellow. There's a darker yellow than that one. 996, which is a blue, just a darker blue. And 5200, which is like it's a white. So these, we got 8 ABs. Okay, so let's put this over here and let's bring back the painting. So let's see where the ABs are. Okay, so it's 445 is a D and it's yellow. So we've got D on her hair, which is the AB, which is this one. So we got it there on her hair. Okay. And then I think the 973, which is the R, 973, it's an odd symbol. Looks like a fork. Let's see. And it's also a yellow. Let's see if I can see it. I see them on the stars. So you got some on the stars right here. And scattered wherever you see yellow. So that's the AB. That's going to be nice actually, because you're going to see the stars are going to be sparkly. And so is her hair. And then you've got pink, which is 818. And 818, let's see. Oh, so that's wherever you see that light pink. So you've got some over here, like on her skin. Got some over here, mostly on her skin. That's going to look very pretty. Okay, and then you got the blue, and this one is, I guess, scattered all over down here. Looks like she's sleeping on a cloud. So that's going to look very pretty. And you got some here too. And then this one is 712, and 712 is a plus sign. So this is basically scattered all over her skin too. There's pluses everywhere. Oh my gosh, guys. So you got the sky, you got the sparkling stars, and then her skin looks like it's going to be sparkling, reflecting from the stars. Oh my, it's going to be look beautiful. And then this one's 775, and that's the equal sign. And that is, let's see, where are you? Equal sign. Okay, the equal sign is like a light blues. So the same thing. It looks like it's going to be like on the clouds. Wow, this is going to be very, very sparkly, guys. And then you got the 5200, and the 5200 is the letter E, the small lowercase e. So let's see. It looks like it's going to be, oh, yep, on her skin. Wow, she's going to be super sparkly. She's going to look absolutely gorgeous. I just love red hair. So she's got like red hair, but like the highlights of yellow, and they're going to be sparkling, and some in her eyelid. So that's about it. She's absolutely going to look absolutely beautiful. with all these. Oh wait, I forgot one more, guys. I forgot this one, sorry. 666, which is the red, and that's H. And that's going to be, I guess, on her hair. And that's about it, guys. Probably some on the stars, but it looks like it's going to be in her hair, the red. Okay, so that's about it, guys. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye-bye. Thank you for joining me.